7, jump shot. Oh, number 7. Number 6, nagbababa ng bola si number 6. Number 6, pass to number 54 again by number 23. Number 34, nagdadala ng bola si number 34. Number 34, pass to number 7 again. Back to number 12. Oh, number 94, wala. Rebound ni number 44. Oh, there's a foul. By number. Bumaba ko po si number ba yan? Number 15 ng Wizard.
Yan!
Babang na naman sa labas.
Retek! Balata mo sa dikte!
First throw is in. How about the second throw? Second throw is good again by number 44. Number 19, nagbababa ng bola. Number 19. The score is 46-46. Lamang ng tigisa ang magkalaban. Joke lang. Number 6. Pass to number 14. Back to number 6 again. Number 23, nag-drive. Tinira. Wala. Oh, there's a foul by number. Number 13. Out of the game.
Pag nagkaalim kayo, bidford po kayo.
Okay na ba? Okay na? Number 94, pass to number 34. Number 34, pass to number 94. 94, back number 10, number 24, tumira. Yeah. 82 minutes again by number 24. Took on lead by 6. Number 6, nagbababa ng bola si number 6. Number 6, pass to number 14, back to number 6 again. Oh, there's a foul by number 44. Sabret. Number 14, out. Number 16, in. Sabret. Tunet, out. Number 4, in. Warning si? Tunet.
Kaya dyan ka muna. Sino ba pinalitan doon?
Si warning pala yan
Ayun lang muna. Hindi, pwede na po.
Number 6, nagdagol ng bola si number 6. Number 6. Number 31. Nagan up.
Yes! Atin niya, atin! Yes! Woo!
Sabret. Number 31, out. Number 9, in.
Wala, wala.
Number 34, pass to number 7. Number 7. Oh, this is by number 7.
Yes! 50-46 lang mga nang apat ang sin.
4-point lead by Saint.
Ayaw na, ayaw na! Ako ko yan.
Number 19, pass to number 9. Number 9, maganda papasahan. Pass to number 16. Number 16, tumigap. Oh, there's a foul. Number 7, pushing foul. Warning, number 7. Second team foul. Oras is
Warning na. 8 minutes and
8 minutes and 18 seconds remaining.
Pwede ka pumasok ka hanggang sa court. Para ano? Labas na po na.
Fourth quarter na po, guys. Second throw is no good, driven by number 44. Oh, still by number 6. Number 6. Oh, there's a foul by number 44. Number 44, second personal foul. Third team foul. Number 6, nagdadal ng bola, pass to number 16. Number 16, back to number 6, pass to number 9. Number 9, oh, pinasa kay number 9. Number 9, umispot, wala, rebound ni number 7. Number 7, nagabasaan, pinasa kay number 34. Number 34, nagababa ang bola, number 34. Number 34, back to number 7. Number 7, nagsaset ng play, pass to number 12. Number 12, layup, wala. Rebound number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 6. Number 6, nagbababa ng bola. Number 6, pass to number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 9. Number 9, tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 7. Number 44, nagbababa ng bola sa number 44.
Sigurado na tira.
Number 44, nagsaset ng play. Number 34. Pass to number? Oh. 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 7, pass to number 44. Number 44, pass to number 12. Number 12, open. 22 points kay number 12. Magsashot lang ka rin.
Last 2 minutes na.
Number 6. Number 6, pass to number 23. Back to number 6 again. Pass to number 9.
Tao.
Number 9. 10 second shot clock. Pass. 5 second shot clock. Oh, number 44, rebound by number 44. Number 44, nagbababa ng bola. Number 44, pass to number 34. 15 second shot clock. 10. Rebound by number 9. Number 9, pass to number 6. Number 6, nagbabawa ng bola. Number 6, diretso. Oh. Falling foul by number 34.
Inigil mo sana.
Wala mo